Well, we are in a community in southern Peru, deep in the Andes Mountains called Pallccapampa.
But yeah, altitude definitely affects you. I've noticed it. I've been out of breath most of the time.
Yeah, you walk 5 steps and you start panting. You know?
Yeah.
The community that we're in, Pallccapampa, is extremely remote. Like they're not connected to the Peruvian power grid, so we had to go through like what were our options? Was there the possibility of a terrestrial link? And we found like it's too far to run fiber. There's no towers nearby, so we can't like link off of anything else. So really, that only left satellite. People basically have come up here and worked on also a solar installation as well to provide power for this. To the backhaul into the internet, we went with Starlink. Basically, we just mount that onto the roof. That talks back to the satellites, gets us to the internet. Right in here, there's a Starlink modem in the room that we're in, and that provides us like the Wi-Fi. And then for the rest of because there's 2 schools here, so we've wired that into a couple of rooms in the elementary school, in this room, and then there's another room in the preschool that's kind of close by. So today was the final day of our install, so we had a big ceremony with the community where people gave speeches. There was dancing and singing and breaking of bottles and all around happiness. And yeah, the community is extremely excited to be getting their, not just power, but internet as well. The Peruvian government provides like tablets and laptops and like basic stuff to the schools, even though here they've never had the power to power them. So now they'll actually have the means to use them.
What does it feel like to have played a role in this?
Amazing, especially after the ceremony today, just to see how grateful the people were and how happy they are to have this. It makes me feel really proud of the work that we've done here.